Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Meter D Green here, and I am going to review for you all today the Z Putty. This was the Putty Patroller for Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Season 2. So here's the box, and the Z Putty. There's the side and the back, and then the other side. Not much at the top, and there's not much at the bottom. So the only thing left to do is to get them out of this packaging. And here we have the figure. So the figure comes with an additional left and right hand, one closed fist and one open hand. You have a blast effect here for his chest, and here we have a punching effect here. So if we take the fist, it fits right into there. You get a punching effect. He's pretty much the same as all the other figures, but we're going to run through this anyway with the head and the neck, shoulders, bicep, forearms, abdomen, goes that forward that far, back that far, legs, thigh swivel, boot cut, ankle pivots, and we have a double elbow joint and a double knee joint. So that's all for right now. This was a relatively short review. It was shorter than I expected it to be, but this guy, he's a pretty straightforward type of figure. You know, he's the foot soldier of season 2, and then that's all. So if you want to pick him up, I'm pretty sure he's still readily available on different types of websites. I will try to put a link in the description box below, so that anyone who wants to pick them up will be able to pick them up. And I guess that's all for right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.